Well, well, look who finally decided to wake up. You've been quite elusive, but your skills make you worth the catch. You'll be perfect for the job. We've been having some issues with a group of thieves known as the Top Hat Clan. We know they're guilty, we just can't pin them to any crimes. You'll be going into the airship to bring them down. I don't need to remind you that we've got you on several charges. Attempted robbery, breaking yourself out of prison, and even stealing a Tunisian diamond. We've got quite a lot of counts on you. Do this job right, and we'll drop all charges against you. Charlie here will be bringing you close to the airship. The rest is up to you. Find a way to bring him down, and you'll be a free man. Hey, how you want me to bring you in?
My apologies, everyone. Had to deploy some invasive maneuvers. A flock of ducks flew by.
Hey you, stop right there!
What's going on?
Looks like he set off some sort of alarm in the vault? What? He's going rogue? Alright, move to plan B. Call in reinforcements and move in. Yeah, this is Jeffrey. I got him right here, so you guys don't need to
We gotta get out of here. We got chaos at our front doorstep. We're not built to deal with this, man. Go, evacuate everyone. I can take care of this.
Goodbye.
There he is. He's got the ruby.
Now forget about it. We've got to retreat, or else the Topic clan will be history. Orders, Captain?
Let him go.
What?
We got what we came for. He's not worth the trouble.
Hey, did you hear something over there?
Nah, man, I didn't hear nothing.
Check. This is Charles. Thought I'd give you a heads up. There's a guy down there, a bad guy. So, yeah. Good luck. Hey, good job there. Oh, so you should probably look for something incriminating. Something that we can use to prove that they're criminals, you know? I mean, the whole point of this operation.
Alright, gentlemen, we've been tasked with developing new weapons for the clan. Any ideas?
I was kind of thinking.
Right, so if we go up to 3 caliber... Hey, you there. What do you think you're doing? It's Smith, right? What are you doing here, mate? Your wife's just gone into labour. Take that escape pod behind you. It'll take you right to the hospital. Go ahead. Don't worry. I'll tell the chief. No, we can't do that. Why not, man? You do realise how much a solid gold cannon would weigh, don't you?
Dude, we totally got enough power.
What do you think, man?
Well, I'm still kind of new here, so I'm not really sure what to say.
Door's jammed again.
Oh, hey, you see that record sign? Where it says records? That'd probably be a good place to look, right? Let me just, help you get across that gap.
Huh?
Alright, here I come. Da, 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 da. Yeah, I have this thing here that can manipulate gravity. Should be able to get you to float across.
Let me just... wait. Up, down... Did it work?
Okay, let me just, teleport this thing in here for you. Alright, here it comes.
What's a card in? Okay, press
I don't think that guy knows how to open the door. Yeah, why don't you let me take care of this?
Understands this. Alright, get to bring out the big guns.
Hey, you should be good to go now. Alright, hacked into their security system. Should be able to open the door from here. Wow, this guy really is a moron. Can't believe he doesn't know how to open a door. Whoops.
Oh man, I remember this. Good thing nobody knows about this or we'd be in a lot of trouble.
Oh man, that duck just flew right into the propeller. Oh, what a mess.
Oh man, I remember this. Good thing nobody knows about this or we'd be in a lot of trouble.
Falcon!
Oh man, I remember this. Good thing nobody knows about this or we'd be in a lot of trouble. Oh man, I remember this. Good thing nobody knows about this or we'd be in a lot of trouble.
Ooh.
Oh, hello Mr. Spider.
Alright, you got some evidence. Whoa, wait. There's no way you're getting through there. Lots of guys and there's lots of guns, that's all I'm gonna say. It looks like you can get around if you go through that air duct. Alright, I've hacked into their power grid. What do you want me to do? Okay. I don't understand what that means. Okay, shutting down the power now. power grid. What do you want me to do? I'm sorry, I just thought you needed some help is all. Alright, I've hacked into their power grid. What do you want me to do? Okay, I'll reroute the power to a random room, that's fine. Alright, Henry, you're almost there. I'm right outside, so just open the bay doors and I'll get you on the chopper.
Hey, what are you doing?
Yeah, we got a situation down in the cargo bay.
Fire in the hole! Hey, there's a button on your earpiece. You should press it.
What's going?
This could be a problem. Hey, I've been looking at the numbers here. What do you think?
Ah, yes. Let me have a look. Go, I'll hold him off. Come on, then.
Everyone listen up. We've got a security alert. Keep a lookout for a guy in a big plastic ball. No, I'm serious.
Whoa!
Hurry up now, activate the doors. Hurry up now, activate the doors.
No, get away!
Now I've got you.
my right-hand man. You defeated me. I surrender the airship to you.
Great work, Henry. Now just get him to us, and we'll get you to life back. They're firing on us. Now we can take it down. Return fire.
You think they're alright? Pretty big fall.
I'm sure Henry had a plan. What is it?
Henry!
Hurry up now, activate the doors. Hurry up now, activate the doors.